For decades, the NATO, they have been the backbone of global security, right? With the United States playing the central role in shaping its military strength, its strategy, its global influence. But now a quiet yet significant shift appears to be taking place within the alliance here as European nations they begin preparing for a future where the US may no longer be dominating the force as a whole. Well, this particular change, it is being driven by growing uncertainty, particularly about statements and positions taken by the US President, Mr. Donald Trump, which has kind of raised concern among European allies about the long term reliability of the American support here. Questions are being asked whether the US would continue to fully commit to NATO's collective defense obligations, specifically during major global conflicts. Well, in international relationships, even the perception of reduced commitment, it can trigger major strategic shift. As a result, European officials they are now reportedly working on contingency plan, often described as the idea of European NATO. While this concept it does not necessarily mean dismantling the existing alliance here, but rather building a parallel or maybe a different structure that allows Europe just to act independently if it is required. The goal here it is to ensure that European nations can defend themselves without fully relying entirely on external power. Well, this particular discussion it is happening at a time of heightened global tension, particularly with the ongoing conflict and instability in regions connected to Europe's strategic interest, i.e., Iran. The Iran Israel conflict, well, where the US is playing the main role, is adding another pressure on the global alliance, forcing countries to reassess their priorities, their military readiness, and long term security strategies. Now, for Europe, the possibility of being drawn into a wider conflict without guaranteed US backing, it has become serious concern for them. Now, let's flip the script. In response, there is increasing focus on strengthening the internal capabilities within Europe. This includes expanding joint defense budget, improving military coordination among the European members. In fact, investing in advanced weapons and developing independent command structure. In fact, wait, some com- in fact, wait, some countries are also pushing for greater intelligence sharing mechanisms that are less dependent on the United States. However, building such an independent network, it is very, very complex. NATO has been developed over decades with the deeply integrated military system, shared infrastructure, and coordinated planning. Replacing or even partially restructuring this particular system, it would require significant time, financial investment, and maybe political agreement among multiple nations, each with its own priorities and defense policy. Wait. Another important factor is the political balance within Europe itself. Well, not all countries may agree on moving away from the US centric security arrangements, right? Some nations, specifically those closer to conflict zones, they still view American military presence as very important for their safety. And this creates internal debates within Europe about how far such independence should really go. Now, globally, this particular shift is being closely watched. Any movement towards a more independent European defense structure, it could alter power dynamics. In fact, influence the relationship with other global powers and impact how future conflicts are now managed. Well, it could also redefine NATO's role here from a US led alliance to a more balanced or even decentralized security network. Well, ladies and gentlemen, despite these developments, NATO is not disappearing. Not at all. Instead, it may be entering a phase of transformation where roles, where responsibilities, where expectations they are being redefined. The alliance could evolve into a more structured way where Europe takes on greater responsibility while still maintaining cooperation with the United States. Well, as discussions continue behind the scenes, one thing is clear: the global security landscape is now changing. Whether this leads to a stronger, more balanced alliance or creates a new division, it will depend on how these plans unfold in the coming years.